Are you searching for the best cheese grater? You are in the right place for getting the valuable information on the best cheese grater. We recommended the top 5 best cheese grater in this video. All of them are maintaining quality. If you want to buy the best cheese grater, we think the list will be very helpful to you. Number 1. Kebasis cheese grater. This cheese grater and sharer is a 4-sided box grater constructed of high-quality rust-resistant stainless steel. This box grater has the usual coarse, medium and fine grater. It also has 3 slices on the slicing sides. The blades are sharp and steady, meaning you will have the box grater for years to come. The handle of the grater is made of thick, soft rubber. It is designed to give you a perfect grip, whether your hands are wet or dry. The thick rubber base, you can rest assured that the box grater won't be moving around. It is easily removed to wash and most importantly easy to put back on. Cleaning is simple as the box grater is dishwasher safe. If however you prefer to hand wash it, simply use dish soap and a cloth. Number 2. Autopia Kitchen Cheese Grater. The stainless steel cheese grater vegetable slicer is a perfect solution to all your kitchen's grating and slicing problem. This little wonder box of a grater, you will not only be able to grate coarse, fine and super fine cheese, but you will also be able to use it for slicing, sharing and zesting. This one comes in unique hexagonal 6-sided constructions for creating of multi-purpose cooking needs. It is safe for use of the kitchen since it may be a food grade 430 stainless steel material. This single handle is designed to fit on handed comfortably and enable sharing efficiently. The rubber handle is soft on the hand and comfortable. It offers you a wide variety of thickness of customized shading with the hexagon-sided box designs. It can be washed easily with the help of the dishwasher soap and water. It is safe for cleaning in a dishwasher, but hand washing is recommended. It offers 6 types of grating textures with including slicer, coarser, fine, ultra coarser and for softer cheese and the vegetable, minimum savor and the stir of the smell fulfill garnel like chocolate and parmesan. Number 3. Giles Classic Rotary Cheese Grater. This classic rotary cheese grater is NSF certified for restaurant use. You won't be gassing your fingers with this grater. Additionally, this cheese grater is easy to use, easy to clean and handle can switch side for either right or left hand uses. The classic cheese grater is designed to grate more cheese in less time while being more comfortable to use. These are the handle switching slide for left or right handed use. It is also a dishwasher safe. Use table side in a restaurant and household alike. Come with the fine drum for grating hard cheese, chocolates, nuts and more. The grating drum is now easier to remove for cleaning. It comes with a 5-year guarantee. Number 4. Knorr Pro Stainless Steel Grater. This stainless steel grater features coarse shade, medium shade and fine shade and slicer. It is perfect for multiple uses, soft and hard cheeses, fruits and vegetables, chocolate, garlic, ginger, nuts and much more. You can quick shade a large block of cheeses or potatoes for hash browns with minimal efforts. This stainless steel grater is also great for zesting citrus. This 4-sided grater is an excellent choice for your any shape. The product dimensions are 8.25 by 3.25 by 4.25 inches. Item weight is 7.5 ounce. It can quickly shred a large block of cheese or potatoes for hash browns with minimal efforts. It is perfect for the multitude of kitchen uses. This 4-sided grater is an excellent addition to any kitchen. Number 5. Kitchen Craft Rotary Action Cheese Grater. This cheese grater is a masterpiece and perfect for you. It is wonderful for getting the hardest cheese, example included Parmesan, Ramadan and Pecorino. The grater is safe and very fast. It is also very easy to use. all of you them to do it is output of the cheese into the grater. The rotate is handled to shed your cheese. This grater is durable. The stainless steel which makes it rust resistance. It is very durable. It can also be used to grate dried coconut, nuts and chocolate too. There are no more touching blades. Just forget about cutting to get into an injury. This rotary grate protects you from the sharp blade, and all the parts are made from good grade BPA free material.